Hello everyone, this is Mr. Chan of Philippine Kushar College. Today, we will show you how to register in PCC Parents Portal with 3 easy steps. First, fill up the form in Parents Portal, then confirm your email and add your child. That's it! Now, we're going to elaborate how to do this. First, go to www.philippinekushorcollege.edu.ph, then click Parents Portal in Navigation menu. This link will direct you to Parents Portal. Then choose your language, whether English or Zhongwen, and then after, just click Create New Account. Here in New Account, just fill up the Parents Registry form. Remember that this information should belong to the parents, not the students. Just provide all the information like last name of the parents, first name of the parents, middle name, mobile number of the parents, email address of the parents, WeChat ID, Facebook Messenger, Viber number, username, and password. For this username and password, please take note and remember because you will going to use this every time you will log into Parents Portal. Just answer the simple math to confirm that you are not a computer. Then click Proceed. Then you will see this message. Then just click OK and you will go back to the login page. Remember that the email address can be only used once. If you use it twice, you will receive a message like this. After this, please open your email inbox and check for PCC Parents Portal registration like this. Then click Confirmation link. Sometimes you will receive it from the spam. The confirmation link will direct you to the login page of the Parents Portal. In Parents Portal, fill up your username and password, then click Login. After entering your own portal, please add your child here. Please fill up the info correctly. The system will check if the info is correct. Only the correct and complete info will allow the students to add. In first name, remember to include first name or the given name. For example, if the first name of the child has 2 words like Tan John Robert Yao, you should type John Robert in order the first name to be correct. The student ID number can be found on the ID of the students just below the barcode, like this one. The child birthday should be in the format like this. For example, the birthday of the child is May 18, 2020, so you have to type 05/18/2020. For this format, it will become valid. Then after that, just click Add Child. Remember that the student can only be added once by the parents. If you have more than one child, just repeat this procedure. After adding, you may see your child below and later we'll see the report card, announcement, memo, enrollment, registration, and assessment. If you have difficulties in adding students or registering your account, you may contact us from Facebook Messenger, WeChat, Viber, or simply click the Contact Us located in the menu and it will directly go to the contact page of our website, which you can see all the information needed. Thank you.